come here. Come here. There you go, you can. You can do it, Bubba. Come on. Come on. Put them knees up. Let's crawl.
But he sure is trying. Bubba. Go, Bubba.
He knows what he's doing. He knows what he needs to do.
Yeah.
You just can't lift up that big old belly yet. Good job, Bubba. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Crawl, Bubba. Come on. Daddy knows you can do it. Come on. Crawl, Bubba. Not even 3 months old. Come on, you're doing good, Bubba. Doing good.
Alright. He's getting so mad because he can't do it. Once he lifts that belly up, though, he'll be going.
Daddy's got to go to work.